So digital twin, I always think of it as it's not a piece of software. Digital twin is really an architecture or a concept. It needs to be interoperable, open data standards, open APIs, and ways that existing organizations who are contributing what they can contribute to the effort are able to do it within their own operating parameters, their own systems that they use. Asset management is what allows all of this to be tracked, accountable. You need to understand where things are going. We need to have some level of understanding that they're going where they're needed. And then these assets, say, being deployed in Ukraine for some period of time, that may not be the end of the life cycle for that asset. And if we're thinking about this as a sustainable way to do, on a global scale, supporting reconstruction in lots of situations, how do you reuse that asset for the next, event? So there's a lot of logistics involved in that. And I think one of the things that we all need to consider is that just like in every organization today, asset management as a practice does not happen in the other duties as assigned category. So people who have, already busy jobs don't just get the job of like, oh yeah, and don't forget to track everything and keep your data updated and do all that. Tying back to leadership, somebody has to decide, what do we want to track? What level of detail? What is appropriate? Because you don't want to collect data that you don't want to manage. So you have to have this at the right level. The outcomes that you're trying to achieve. You back that up into what kind of data you're going to collect and manage, and then apply the proper resources and people to actually do that work so that this becomes a sustainable activity